Hi everyone, my name is Dixon Ifejera. My friends call me Dubisoft. So today I'm going to be solving a leet code problem, and the title of the problem is valid parenthesis. So the problem statement says that given a string S containing just the character of brackets, that is open parenthesis and close parenthesis, open brace, close brace, open square bracket and close square bracket, determine if the input string is valid. An input string is valid if 1. Open brackets must be closed by the same type of bracket. 2. Open brackets must be closed in the correct order. So these are the example. Open parenthesis closed by same parenthesis. So this is correct. Open parenthesis closed by close parenthesis is correct. Open square bracket open by close square bracket, this is correct. Open brace is closed by same brace, so this is correct. So this one is not correct because opening parenthesis closed by square bracket, so this is not correct. So same thing applies to other ones. So in other words, what is this trying to say? It's trying to say that this can only be correct when we have an open brace, open parenthesis open closed by same parenthesis, when we have a brace closed by also a closing brace, we have a opening square bracket closed by a closed square bracket. So this one is correct. So when we have something like this one is not correct. So when we have something like this is not correct. So this is the correct one. Now this is what I'm trying to say. So now we are going to be solving this problem with data structure and algorithm. So I'm using Java 8 to solve this problem. Now first things first, to solve this problem I have to check. Now if you look properly, if you look carefully, you see that when you open a parenthesis, you close by a close parenthesis. When you open a brace, you close by a close brace. So definitely this must be even. So anything that open must be closed. So if it's not even, that means it's not a valid parenthesis. So it has to be even. So when you open something, you close it back. So we want to check if it's even first. So to check, this is a string s.length. We do a modulus. So modulus of 2 is not equal to 0. So if this is not even, turn it false. So when you pass this check and it's true, now I want to solve this with a stack. So I'll use character of stack. So let me declare stack. Character. Yes. So how does the stack work? A stack works by it works the principle of last in first out. So the last thing that comes in will be first thing that go out, just like a plate. When you stack a plate, you can only take out the last plate that you stacked on top, pull like the next one, take the next one. So the last one is the first to go out. So that's how stack works. So now solving this with a stack. Now I want to loop through all the characters, all the values. So this is a string, so I have to convert to a character. So I want to use a for statement. So C, okay. Then I want to convert this to a character array. Yes. Yeah. So we are now getting each character one by one. So now I want to test. So I want to take all the opening brackets, that is open parenthesis, close opening brace and open square bracket. So I want to take them. So if C equals this, or if C equal to this, or if C equal to the square bracket now. So if it's equal to this, I want to push it to a stack. So push it to a stack. which is to the stack. So now I want to now pop each one at a time. I want to check first of all check for the parenthesis. So when I say close parenthesis, I want to pop out the open parenthesis so that one is gone. So else if C equal to close parenthesis and the stack. I want to make sure the stack is not empty. Stack is not empty. It's not empty. And I want to check for what is currently at the top of the stack. It is equal to the open one. So now when what's at the top is equal to the open parenthesis, I want to pop it out. So pop it out. Stack dot pop. Else if C equal to, let me go to space, equal to let me do for a brace now. I could just really copy and paste, but I don't want to be lazy, so I want to type them one after the other. So just watch me. So if stack is not empty as well, and what is currently at the top of the stack is equal to the open brace. So I want to also pop it out. So else if this one is for, this is for the square bracket, so and stack is not empty, and stack dot big is equal to the closing square brackets. Okay. Then with this extra space here. Yes. So I want to also pop this out. Now, if there's any other character that comes in, that means it's not valid. So we are checking for these three characters here. So else, we want to return a false. So not valid. So now, by the time all this operation goes on, anything that opens must be closed and it pops it out. Anything that if you find an open brace and closed brace, it pops it out. At the end of the day, the stack should be empty. When the stack is not empty, it means that it's not a valid parenthesis. But when the stack is empty, it means that it's a valid parenthesis. So we want to return stack that is empty. It's empty. So now, yes. So let me check for syntax error. Okay, this seems to be good. Okay, let's test the code. Yes, accepted. Let me submit it. Wrong. Why is it wrong? Okay, it's supposed to be open. So let me run the code again. So sorry for this. I am supposed to put an open brace here, not closed brace. So yes, this is accepted. Now the speed rate is 98.72. Quite fast, right? I know, right? Okay, yeah. So this algorithm takes its time complexity of 0 of big of n, because it has to scan through all the stack to check for the close open brace and open parenthesis and close parenthesis, open brace and close brace. So same thing applies for square bracket. So it takes a big O of n, and the space complexity is big O of n as well, because the number of characters that it takes in, it has to scan through all of them. So it's also a big O of n space complexity. Okay, thank you very much, and thank you for watching my tutorials. Please like and subscribe. It helped me to continue doing what it encouraged me to continue to do more. Also, I love doing this because I just love doing it. It's what I do every day. It's my job. I enjoy doing it every day. Just like working and having fun. I have fun with this thing every day. So thank you very much. Bye bye.